Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and in today's video we are going to draw a cute little fish in Madhubani style with brush pens, coloring with brush pens. So for this I have taken the center line, and for taking the center point, we don't need any measurements or anything. You can just draw cross lines from one corner to another corner, and the middle point would be your center point. And from there I have taken compass and have drawn 3 circles, where the inner circle will be of half centimeter and the outer circle will be of 1 centimeter. And then from the center point I have just given a small line and started drawing the fish, just one outline. You can just pause the video here and check how I have drawn the fish and the measurements I have taken. Like I have taken from the center point, the face starts from the center point and the tail ends at the other corner of this cross line. So that would be the measurement. And then I have given this a small design on the fish, the eye and a smiley mouth. You just give a small curve and then a beautiful eye, and then start filling the tail with the curves on either side of the tail, and then fill the outer edge where we have given 1 centimeter. There you can just fill the florals, just giving the half curves. Give half curves of equal ratio, equal length, equal distance, maintaining all these 3. You just give the florals. This is all the outline done with the pencil. You can just do it with, I have done with mechanical pencil. You can just try with 2H pencil because that will be very light. Once with it is done with the pigment pen, you can erase all the pencil erasers. So for this here I'm using 0.05 micron pen and I'm outlining this. Leave a small gap in the eye for a white spot in the eye, and then circle the outline and the fish outline. After this, just whatever you have marked our florals on the outside part, even complete that, and then fill the scales part, the jewelry part of the fish near its neck, and the scaly part also will be doing. Just observe how I have done the scaly part. So just try to complete all this and erase everything. We shouldn't find any pencil marks once the total thing is completed. See the way I'm doing this chain part, giving equal spaces and equal ratio, and the measurement is very much equal. Now I'm drawing the scaly part. So for this I have drawn same. Now here I'll be giving a broad circle or half circle, and the next circle will be on the middle of the other circle. So just try this, just check this and draw this on this way. So I'm just fastening the video over here. Just fill the scales to the maximum smallest half circles you can give, and do it in very clear and neat manner. And once this is done, erase all the pencil lines, and just I'm using for coloring Dome's brush pens. I have taken light yellow, light green, light blue, dark blue, emerald green, and orange, and dark purple too. And so for the fur, I have started with the tail, giving the light yellow, and then took light green and doing near the neck part, and then emerald green. So next I'm doing with dark blue, and then yellow, and then I'm filling the total thing with dark blue. And for water I'll be doing with the light blue, and before that I have given the air bubbles near the mouth of the fish in this way. And for this brush pens, when you are doing this, give it in one single stroke so that you will not form any double layers or anything. And This is an art channel. Thanks for watching. And if you are watching for the first time, please do share the channel and subscribe the channel. And here in the florals, I have just colored with orange, leaving one by one. I'm coloring it, and then the other color here I'll be using is dark purple. So I hope you all like this, and you all will definitely try this. Keep doing this. Actually, this is the one I have done. You can try with any other colors also. This looks more beautiful with many colors, and you can do the best, I hope. And this is how it looked. So thanks for watching. Happy drawing.